Hello, my dear students. Myself, Mrs. Sapna Tiwari from St. Mary High School, Jogeshwari East. Students, when we go to the market, we buy vegetables, fruits, and sometimes food grains. When we go to the market to buy all these things, we ask to the shopkeeper in some quantity. The shopkeeper measures that much and gives us required things. Whenever we buy all these things, we always ask in some quantities, in some amount, and we all get these things in measuring quantity. So, our today's topic is measurement. Let's learn more about measurement. Students, we use units to measure length, weight or mass, and capacity. Let's learn about these units in details. Student, to measure the length, the first unit is millimeter. It is denoted as mm. Whenever you will write mm, it will read it as millimeter. We use millimeter to measure very short length like thickness of credit card, cardboard or 10 sheets of paper. Student, centimeter, which is denoted as cm, is also used to measure the length. Length, that means short length. For example, the length of safety pin, the length of pencil or pen. Students, centimeter is also used to measure the short height, like height of table, height of chair, or height of a particular person. Meter, it is also denoted as m. We also use this unit to measure the length. Long length, when we want to measure the long length, for example length of a room, car or truck, we use meter. Meter is also used to measure the short distance and long heights. Short distance means the distance from bedroom to kitchen or the distance from bedroom to drawing room. Long heights means the height of a tree or height of a building. That is also measures in a meter. Now, another unit to measure the length is kilometer. Kilometer is denoted as km. While writing kilometer, you can write km. You can use this also. Kilometer we use to measure the long distance. Long distance means the distance between two cities or two towns or two states, which is really very long. That time we use kilometer. Now let's see a quick revision. Measuring length, that means whenever you are measuring the length, that time you use 4 units like millimeter, which is denoted as m, centimeter, it is denoted as cm, meter, it is denoted as m, and kilometer is denoted as km. Now, millimeter we use to measure very short length. Now, centimeter we use for short length and short height. Now, meter we use it for long length, short distance and long height. Kilometer we use it for long distance. Students, let's see the conversion of these units. Meter into centimeter. Now, whenever we are converting meter into centimeter, we use a formula. the formula is 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. When you are converting meter into centimeter, we multiply that particular number by 100. Let's see an example of it. Convert 12 meter into centimeter. As we all know the formula, that is 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. And here it is given 12 meter. And we have to convert it into centimeter. That means by applying our formula, 12 multiply by 100. And we have to convert in which unit? In centimeter. Whenever you are writing a conversion sum, do not forget to write the unit. We are converting into centimeter, so here we are going to use it as cm, which is a denotation of the centimeter. So 12 meter, if we convert into centimeter, we get the answer 1200 centimeter. Let's see one more example of it. Convert 7 meter 15 centimeter into centimeter. That means here it is given two numbers. One is in meter and one is in centimeter. So first what we will do, we will write it separately. 7 meter plus 15 centimeter. So here what we will do, we will convert this meter into centimeter first. 7 multiplied by 100 centimeter. How? As we know the formula, that is 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. So here we have multiplied 7 to 100 plus 15 centimeter. Now 7 multiplied by 100 becomes 700 centimeter plus 15 centimeter. If we will add 700 centimeter plus 15 centimeter, it becomes 715 centimeter. That means the answer we got is 715 centimeter. Now let's see kilometer into meter, how we can convert it. When we are converting kilometer into meter, we are applying a formula of 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. When we are converting kilometer into meter, we are multiplying by 1000. Students, always remember this formula. When you are converting kilometer unit into meter unit, you have to multiply by 1000. Before moving ahead, let's see half, quarter and 3/4 of a kilometer. As we know, 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. So, if we will make a quarter of 1000, it will come 250 meter. Half of 1000 is 500 meter. And 3/4 of 1000 is 750 meter or 750 meter. Let's see an example of it. Convert 4 kilometer into meter. My dear students, we all know the formula. That means 1 kilometer is equals to how much? 1000 meter. So here what we will do? We will multiply the particular number in 1000. So 4 kilometer is, if you want to convert into meter, so 4 multiplied by 1000 meter. See here again I am reminding you, whenever you are writing the sum of conversion, do not forget to write units. So 4 multiplied by 1000 meter is equals to 4000 meter. Now let's see one more example of it. Convert 3 kilometer and 250 meter into meter. 3 kilometer and 250 meter. We are going to write it as a sum. 3 kilometer plus 250 meter. Now first we have to convert this kilometer into meter. as we all know the formula, that means 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. So 3 we are going to multiply by 1000. 3 multiplied by 1000 meter plus 250 meter, as it is given in a sum. So 3000 meter plus 250 meter is equals to 3250 meter. Let's have a quick revision of conversion, like converting meter into centimeter and kilometer into meter. Whenever we are converting meter into centimeter, we are using the formula of 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. And when we are converting kilometer into meter, we are using the formula is 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. Now let's learn measuring the capacity. Let's see about the units of measuring the capacity. We use two units. First is milliliter, which is denoted as ml, and the second one is liter, which is denoted as L. Milliliter, we use it for small quantity of liquids, and liter we use it for large quantity of liquids. Now when we are using milliliter, as we know, when we want a small quantity of liquids, that time we will use milliliter, which is also denoted as ml, like coffee in a cup, lemonade in a glass, medicine in an eyedropper, etc. Now when we use liter, which is denoted as L, we use it for large quantity of liquid like milk pouch, juice bottle, water in a bathtub, or sometimes when we use water bottle also. Now let's see the conversion of units liter into milliliter. Whenever we are converting liter into milliliter, we are using this formula, that is 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. We multiply by 1000 while converting liter into milliliter. Students, see here, it is written quarter liter. Quarter liter can also be written as 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4 liter, that means 250 milliliter. A quarter liter means 250 milliliter. Here it is shown a jar of 1000 milliliter, that is 1 liter, and it is filled here till 250 milliliter. That means this is a quarter liter. Half liter. Half liter can also be written as 1 upon 2. We read it as half. Half liter, that means 500 milliliter. Here it is this jar is filled till 500 milliliter. That means half liter it is. Now here it comes for 3/4 liter. 3/4 can also be written as 3 upon 4. 3/4 liter means 750 milliliter. Now let's see an example of it, how we can convert liter into milliliter. Now here it is question given, convert 15 liter into milliliter. As we all know the formula, 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. So what we will do here, we will multiply given number to 1000. So number is 15. 15 multiplied by 1000 milliliter is equals to 15,000 milliliter. Let's see one more example. Convert 2 liter 970 milliliter into milliliter. That means we will write it as a sum, 2 liter plus 970 milliliter. So as per formula, we will convert this liter into milliliter. For the conversion, we have to multiply the number by 1000. So we have multiplied here 2 to 1000. 2 multiplied by 1000 is 2000. 2000 milliliter plus 970 milliliter. So if we will add this, so you will get the answer 2970 milliliter. Now we saw the units, measuring units of length and capacity. Let's see the measuring units of weight or mass. To measure mass or weight, the first unit we use is gram, which can be denoted as G or GM. We use gram to measure the light things like gold jewelry or small books. Now, another unit to measure the mass is kilogram, which is denoted as kg, which we use for heavy things like sack of vegetables, rice, pulses, etc. Now let's see how to convert kilogram into gram. When we convert kilogram into gram, we use the formula 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 gram. When we convert kilogram to gram, we multiply the number by 1000. Now, here it is quarter kilogram, which is also can be written as 1 upon 4. Whenever it is written 1 upon 4, that means that is a quarter. Quarter kilogram is equals to 250 grams. Half kilograms, half, which can also be written as 1 upon 2. Half kilogram is equals to 500 gram. 3/4 kilogram. 3/4 kilograms can also be written as 3 upon 4. 3/4 kilogram is equals to 750 gram. Now let's see the conversion of kilogram into gram. Let's see the example of it. Convert 17 kilogram into gram. So as we know the formula, 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 gram. So what we will do here, we will multiply the number by 1000. So the number is 17. 17 multiplied by 1000 gram. So 17 multiplied by 1000, you will get the answer 17,000 gram. Let's see one more example of it. Convert 11 kilogram 770 gram into gram. That means it is given with the two units, kilogram as well as gram. The whole number we have to convert into gram unit. Let's see how we will do it. So what we will do here, we will convert first kilogram into gram. So here it is written 11 kilogram. That means we will apply the formula, which is 1 kilogram is equals to 1000 gram. So we will multiply 11 by 1000. 11 multiplied by 1000 gram, plus we will copy this 770 gram as it is. So we will get the answer 11,000 gram plus 770 gram. So what answer we will get here? 11,770 gram. If we will convert 11 kg 770 gram into gram, you will get 11,770 gram. Students, let's see a quick recap what we have learnt today. To measure the length, to measure the weight or mass, or to measure the capacity, we use units. To measure the length, we use millimeter, centimeter, meter and kilometer. All the units have particular formula to convert in each. Now, weight or mass. Weight or mass we use two units, gram and kilogram. For capacity, we use milliliter and liter. Students, that's all in this topic. Keep learning. Stay healthy, stay safe. Bye-bye.